Welcome everyone. We are the program committee chairs of ACM MobiSys 2021, and we welcome you to the conference. So this is the official opening of the main conference program.
At Mars, we have prepared a high quality technical program for you. And this year we have received 166 submissions, and they are from more than 700 authors and 38 countries. And in the end, we accepted 36 papers, mapping to roughly 22% acceptance ratio. And they give 9 technical sessions. And we're really impressed by these numbers because of the pandemic, which makes experimentation and system work extremely difficult. And we are pleased to see that the community is still pushing forward and producing high quality works.
So another thing that really impressed us is the diversity of the topics at the center of the papers that got submitted to MobiSys this year. And that is reflected also in the set of the papers that were ultimately accepted. If you look at the titles of the technical sessions that we have prepared for you this year, we find topics ranging from augmented reality to security and privacy, or from mobile machine learning to mobile communications and location and tracking. And this is really a prominent representation of how vibrant is our community, and something we should really go proud of.
And we also want to go over the whole review process. So after we received all the submissions, all the papers went through 2 rounds of reviews. And in the first round, we assigned 3 reviewers to every paper. And in the end of the round, 82 papers were rejected, and the remaining 84 papers entered the second round. And in the second round, we assigned 2 additional reviewers to all the papers. And after online discussion, 25 papers were rejected, and the remaining 59 papers entered the PC meetings. So in the beginning of the PC meeting, we identified 14 papers which have received universally high scores, and we label them as pre-accepted papers. And in the end of the meeting, 36 papers were conditionally accepted, and they went through the shepherding process, have made satisfactory revision. So in the end, they were officially accepted by the program.
So in an attempt to improve the review process, and provide a better service to the community, we decided that we were going to modify the traditional review process. In particular, all the papers that were rejected at the end of the first round had to normally wait until the end of the review process for all other papers to be notified. But this year, we sent out early reject notifications for those papers in an attempt to help those authors incorporate the feedback of the reviewers immediately and possibly submit elsewhere much more quickly. We also added an artifact evaluation program to the traditional review process. This was giving authors the possibility to opt in to the program at the time of submitting, and have their system work, their implementations, their data sets, their tools be officially recognized with a badge that ACM is promoting as part of the more general artifact evaluation program. And that badge is associated to the camera ready that appears in the ACM digital library. At the beginning, 52 papers opted in for this program, and 11 of the accepted papers are actually recognized as part of this program in the set of the final papers we accepted.
None of these changes would be possible without a hardworking and committed technical program committee. And here we list all their names here. They might be too small to see, but we really want to give a huge thank you to all of them, and thanks them for the hard work in reviewing the papers, in evaluating the artifact of the papers, in shepherding the papers through the process, and also in helping us identify the best papers. And also you might notice this year we offered a topic preview session for all the technical sessions. And these are also made possible by some of the committee members. So we really appreciate their efforts. And I hope you get to chat and meet with some of them during the virtual conference this year.
And to conclude, it's time to announce the best paper award of this year. The award was assigned by selection committee that looked at all the papers that were nominated for this award, considering both the feedback of the original reviews and the camera-ready versions. And the committee in the end decided that there were two papers deserving the award, and these papers are ZTT, learning-based DBFS with zero thermal throttling for mobile devices, and PPFL, privacy-preserving federated learning with trusted execution environments. So please join me in a big round of applause for the authors of these great works. We'll certainly be in touch with the authors to have a concrete recognition of their work.
Okay, and with that, we would like to welcome you again to the conference and hope you will enjoy all the sessions we have prepared for you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.